a bit cold and grey in Hanoi today. And there's not really much to do around here anyway, so I'm not sure what we're getting up to today, but I'll take you with me. Right, what are you wearing today and how much did it cost?
What do you want to know about first?
You're meant to tell me, mate.
Alright. Shoes.
Yeah.
Got a new moped customization on them things. I got these back in the U Kizzle.
Yeah.
Don't know where from.
Yeah.
So these are the North Place.
Yes.
Come on. This bad boy. Got this from my man.
Say that.
A very good place. A very good place. Architecture. Then this bag. I'll be real, it's a Zara thing. It's a Zara thing.
Come on.
I need to talk about it.
How much did the whole fit cost you?
Would you want it in dong or normal price?
Dong.
Dong.
Just love it and you
probably like 1.5 mil, I reckon.
Jeez, 1.5 milli. Come on. What is my man doing? He's gonna oh, snap. Oh, snap.
Bit off ice.
Yeah, bit dead.
Bro, like, I don't even look real. Why is it like so big?
Why is it dirty girl?
No, why is it like?
Off you go, mate.
Well, this is sad. We're halfway across the world. Look at these two over a fish. Look at them.
I love how we've gone for a walk round with famous of dead fish in the lake, bro.
Matt's just been asked to read a book for some guys, kids in class.
Is this recorded? Oh no.
Can you please introduce your name and where you come from first? Yeah. Okay.
My name's Max and I come from the UK, South London. I support Chelsea as well. Big up Chelsea. Right. A bug's life is difficult.
Bro's been going for 3 minutes now. He's taking a mick.
Yeah. The circus bugs and the ants are
Well, that was interesting. Boys didn't really rate it. Nah, it was cool, yeah, for like 5 minutes. Go on, mate, go on, mate.
Oh, at the start I was a bit like, oh, you know what, this isn't too bad. 50 minutes of that absolute stuff. Well, it's just a waste of time. I'm going to bed, bro.
I was literally fighting to keep my eyes open.
No, it was cool, but 50 minutes worth, nah. But we've just been shop, got some, I don't know, drinks and stuff, and then I think we're going to go Train Street later. Because we went yesterday, but we didn't really get a good seat, so we're going to try and get a better one today, hopefully. Like, crossing these roads is rough. Like, this is Carlsbad there. Just been dished up grub.
It actually smells alright. It's like super noodles with chicken. But the noodles I had the other day were like, you know, like the glass noodles, like proper noodles.
See if I can pick it up.
Would you rate out of 10, Luca?
5. It's a bit embarrassing, really.
It did cost you like £2.
Long way round?
No.
Pretty sure they are. They get sticky. Oh, maybe not. No, you're right. My bad.
Right.
Wait.
Oh, that's a poor attempt. Go on, mate. Give it a go.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. No, he just wrapped it around. That's cheating.
Sling it back now.
Go on. What are you rating, mate?
Are you rating me? Are you rating?
I'd say a 6. It's calm.
Right. Question. When you
gang called up.
Are you going to back your bread?
when you were younger, did you ever used to like swallow spaghetti and then let it go down your throat
Yeah,
and
and
put
then
it
put
back out?
Yeah, it was like let it stream up. Yeah.
No.
I remember one time when I was a kid, like, I just poured like bits of cups of water in my spaghetti. Like, and there was just bare water, like, it's just sat at the bottom of my spaghetti once.
What? Why is that?
We were just talking about spaghetti.
This is not right.
Spaghetti talk, innit? Spaghetti talk.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Is that?
Somebody touching my...
Yeah, mate, that's a cold flip. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, that's cold.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh!
I'll speak to her on Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah.
You got good job, what man? Get off the job.
Not even North Face or nothing. And then 100 for 100. Oh, no, 250. And 4 in the hat as well.
Could be the worst haggle I've seen.
250 for both.
I know you get these like 50,000.
That could have been one of the worst negotiations I've seen from the boys.
Agreed on the price, 300, so 150 each. Not too bad. What's that? What's that in Quidditch?
In Quidditch?
In quids.
Yeah, but what did she start at? 400?
Yeah.
So it's barely moved.
It's a long day, man.
£9.
£4.59 for some gloves.
Well, that's
Well, but
that's quite steep. £4.59. I
What do
paid
you
that
reckon?
for shorts. You paid less for a top, or the same for a top.
What do you think, though?
All right, go.
Put your hand in there. Go on.
It's like a glove.
Yeah. How much? How much? 50. I'll give you 50.
Got a deal there, mate. Look how long his fingers are. Who had
Got an on button as well.
Who was the queen that had obsession with like long fingers?
A bit hard.
Queen Elizabeth was the first. I was right.
What was that, sorry?
Queen Elizabeth was the first.
Say that again one more time, mate.
I did.
One more time in English, though.
I did. Just didn't listen properly.
Was that English?
Just get your ears checked, mate.
Let's get your lips checked.
Alright, mate.
That's the end of the video. I think I'm going to sit up here, finish editing the video, probably go get a little more food, and then that's us done, because I'm not having a late one tonight, because we're going up to Hajang, because we're doing a Hajang loop in 2 days. So thanks for watching. Love.